Scott Chapman, because he's the one who
Yeah.
gets about the business. And he gave us a pin. He goes, you know, a lot of people join the Eagle Shield, 50% stick and stay. Of those 50%, some of the people do anything. And then he says, we have a pin that says, you're the star because you're here on a Saturday attending these events. And I want to make recognition for some of our team members who are here, Tom Kanemoto, Cindy Kimball, and Kathy Jackson, because they've been pretty regular for several years at attending Super Saturday and Union Convention.
All right.
So, pat yourself on the back here.
Good job, Amy. Okay, I'm Lois Threlkeld, and what are we doing, a tip? Or a long story?
Just a tip, not a speech, a tip.
Oh, you know, so we're Silver Executive Director, and we've always felt like ED stood for every day. So if you want to get to Silver, I would say probably 4 a day would do it for you. Thank you.